Hey, what's up guys? I am Tech. Welcome to our territory. The Nokia 9.3 Pureview is here. The Nokia 9.3 to take on Samsung and OnePlus with a 120Hz screen, Snapdragon 865 and more. Pureview has also begun to frequently expose online. Today we have got some news concerning this headset. The machine is not only expected to be equipped with 108 megapixel camera, but it will also support to 120Hz screen refresh rate photography. Still the focus of the Nokia 9.3 Pureview. This phone sports a 108 megapixel lens launched by Samsung as well as high pixel zoom lens. As for whether this phone continues the shower design of the previous generation, we still have no certain information, but according to some rumors, this time to a more conventional camera arrangement, one of the most powerful camera solution on flagship products. A Nokia specific Leakstar account has been talking about the color options of the company upcoming Nokia 9.3 Pureview flagship. Somewhat surprisingly, the poll was acknowledged by the Joe Sarakias, the Nokia CPU, who dropped a pretty massive hint about the phone's colors. He says his favorite options are polar night as well as bold and lighter shades similar to the copper hues HMD has done previously, and when the colors rank so highly with a high level executive, we can expect them to make it to the final product. So we will see as soon as possible in the product. In addition to have a 108 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera sensor, the configuration of the remaining cameras is inconclusive, but it is estimated that there will be telephoto, macro and depth sensors. Apart from this, we have also heard this phone will come with the OLED screen on the front. Under the hood, it will carry the Snapdragon 865 plus in the previous model. We have previously reported that the headset may be released in the third quarter of this year, but in view of its multiple bounces, it is still suspense whether this will be released as scheduled. The Nokia 9 Pureview with its Penta camera system is one of the most unique smartphones released last year. Unfortunately, it has encountered many problems, but now HMD Global seems ready to make a comeback again. The latest reports coming our way from Nokia power user that the upcoming Nokia 9.3 Pureview is planning to improve the Penta camera system. The Finnish company is currently working with a new partner to improve its next generation camera system. However, at the moment, the manufacturer did not disclose what improvements we will see. But one thing is clear as the day. Nokia and Zeus are preparing big updates. So we think once the phone is out, it will make a tough competition for the Huawei, Samsung and Xiaomi phones, taking the competition to the next level. The upcoming Nokia 9.3 Pureview is going to be the company flagship. So there is every reason to think it will support a number of latest technologies. Of course, first we are expecting for the Snapdragon 865. This phone should also provide 5G connectivity besides a strong performance. Anyways, the Nokia 9.3 Pureview is expected to the doubt with the Nokia 7.3 later. Much like Motorola, it has been a while since we have seen a proper Nokia flagship. Last year, Nokia 9 Pureview got mixed reactions from friends and alike, primarily due to its inducing rear camera array. The phone is all set to receive a successor in the form of a Nokia 9.3 Pureview. The phone was supposed to drop sometimes in Q2 2020. Let me know down the comments below what your thoughts about the phone. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.